Hello lovely people, Wagwan. Hi, my name is Karen and welcome to my channel. So today this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be like a vlog style type of video. I want to show you guys what I do in my everyday life as well. It's not like I don't just do makeup all the time, and my channel is about lifestyle as well, don't forget. So today I'm going to be making Dalgona matcha. I'm gonna attempt to make the Dalgona matcha. So I'm gonna make both of them today, and we're gonna see how this turns out. Oh, as for my makeup look, I just did a video on how I did this look. So if you haven't seen that video yet, please go ahead and check it out. That was my last video, in case you want to see how I did this look. I haven't done my makeup in a long time, y'all. It's been like almost a month, because you know, there's only so much places we can go anyway. So this was really fun for me. When I look good, I feel good. For me, to each his own. And feeling good doesn't always have to be about doing your makeup either. Feeling good could just be like any type of self-care practice. But I'm really loving this look, y'all. I also posted a picture on my Instagram. So if you're not following me, follow me on Instagram and like the picture as well. But without further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, so first we're going to start off with the Dalgona coffee. And Dalgona coffee is basically whipped coffee. That's pretty much what it is. Alright, so I got my little bowl right here. Let me take out the whisk for a minute. Just make sure you have, this is a brand new coffee. Just make sure you have instant coffee. And I'm making both because I still want to taste both. So I've been drinking a lot of matcha lately, a lot of matcha, and that's how I came up with the idea that maybe I should make both, because I'm not really a coffee drinker. For some reason coffee doesn't agree with me. I don't know what it is. It makes me extremely jittery and extremely hyper, and my heart just start racing. That's why I stopped drinking coffee. And matcha is a great alternative to coffee. So that's why I came up with the idea of making both. Alright, so I put 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. And then you're going to need 2 tablespoons of sugar and also 2 tablespoons of hot water. Alright, y'all, so this is how it's looking. So I've been whisking now for about 2 minutes. And so far it's looking good. I'm going to whisk about another 2 or 3 minutes. Oh, I wanted to say, the first time I did it, I put a little bit too much water. So make sure that if you're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of coffee, you also put 2 tablespoons of water, and not 2.5 or 2 1/4. Make sure everything is exact, or else it won't foam up like this. Because I was mixing off camera, I'm like, why is it not foaming up? What did I do wrong? So I redid it again, y'all. And so far, it's coming out real good. But let me tell y'all, my hands is real tired. My hands is real tired. So if you have an electric whisker, I suggest you use that, because your hand gonna be tired, girl. Alright, I'll come back when it's finished. Looks like it's almost finished, so I'll be back. Alright, so I have this little glass right here. I'm just going to pour some milk in it, and then I'm going to add the Dalgona coffee right in there. Now I'm going to add my whipped coffee. Let me just zoom on in for you so you can see how good it looks. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. And then you could swirl it. You know, you can make your own little design. Just like swirl it around a little bit. Oh my goodness gracious. Yum, 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 yum. I can't wait to devour that. Look at it. Look at it. It just looks so good. Oh my gosh. So now I'm gonna make my matcha dalgona. Like I said, I wanted to do a matcha dalgona because I don't really drink coffee that much. I've been drinking a lot of matcha, as you can see. Look at this. And I did a whole video on matcha, by the way. Look at this. Look at that. Hold on. Look at that. My matcha is almost finished. You see that? Almost done. I got this at GNC. I did a video on the hunt for the perfect matcha. Go ahead and check that video out. I'll also link it down below in my description box. You'll see how I was on the hunt for matcha, and the first time I tasted it, I didn't really like it, to be honest with you. I said it tasted like greens, which it did, but it actually grew on me, y'all. And now I absolutely love it. I drink it almost every day, and it's a really great alternative to coffee. So let's go ahead and drink this and see how it tastes. Then we're gonna do the matcha and drink that and see how it tastes. Guess what, y'all? I just came up with a brilliant idea. There goes my creative mind again. So remember I was telling you the first one I made wasn't foaming up. I'm gonna actually use it and drizzle it on top and make, you know, turn it into like, because it's like a syrupy consistency right now. I'm gonna actually drizzle a little bit on top. All right, let's go ahead and taste this. And don't mind my hair, y'all. It's been a long day. So let's taste this bad boy. Yo. This is delicious. Delicious. This is so delicious, y'all. If you haven't tried this yet, you have to try it. I promise you, you will love it, y'all. That was real good. It tastes like iced caramel latte, but way better. That was so good. I didn't know it tasted that good. I can't believe I waited this long to make it. It tasted so good, y'all. You have to try it. You have to try it. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and make the matcha. If the coffee tasted that good, I know the matcha is going to taste really good too. But let's go ahead and make that one. Alright, let's try this again, y'all. So, you're going to get an egg, you're going to crack the egg, and you're going to just use the egg white, okay? So after you do that, you're going to boil some water and sugar on medium heat. You're going to whisk up your egg white first until it gets frothy. Then you're going to slowly add the mixture, the water and the sugar mixture into it to get like a nice creamy and thick consistency. And then you're going to add your matcha powder. And I'm using my hands again, y'all, because I don't have an electric mixer. I need to invest in one. After this, I'm definitely going to invest in one. So let me go ahead and keep on whisking that up, and I'll come back when it's nice and frothy. Alright, y'all. I was mixing until I was blue in the face. So what I did was, I just poured off... because it was getting frothy, but I had so much more to whisk, and I do not have a electric mixer, so I poured off the excess mixture. I'm making a really small one anyway, so this is fine. I'm just gonna add the matcha to this because I have a feeling if I do the sugar and water and then add it to it, it's gonna ruin the whole thing. So I'm just gonna add the matcha to this, and I'm gonna add a little sugar, add the matcha, and call it a day. Now this is how it's looking right now. I added sugar and the matcha. You can sift your matcha out so it doesn't give you the greens, but I actually like the greens in the matcha. So, and also if you don't eat egg, you can use heavy cream, but that's a little bit more fattening. And I don't mind the egg white because I'm adding the sugar anyway, so that's fine. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour some milk. See how nice and thick this is? That's how you want it. Yes, y'all, I'm putting it in this little baby cup right here. Well, it's not a cup. It's like a little baby jar with 2 little baby ice in there. I added a little bit more milk. So let me just go ahead and put this right on top now. Wow, it looks so pretty, and that's so oddly satisfying. Alright, there we go, y'all. So it might look pretty, but if it doesn't taste good, then we got a problem. But it looks really pretty. It is so cute. Look at that. Oh, look how cute that is. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Look at that. Alright, let's go ahead and do the taste test. I pushed this here back. I mixed it into the milk. You're supposed to mix it into the milk. Let's taste it. Yo. I promise you, I'm not exaggerating. This is so good. Both of them are really good. I can't even pick which one I prefer. I really can't. Like I said, I'm not a coffee drinker like that, so I'm probably gonna pick the matcha Dalgona. But they're both really good. Like, they're so good. I've been sleeping on this Dalgona coffee, Dalgona matcha. It tastes like the matcha latte that you would buy at like Starbucks, but better to me. It's really good, y'all. Oh, guys, I'm glad I did this. They both were really good. Both of them were really good. If I had to choose, I would choose the matcha one because that's what I've been drinking, and I don't drink coffee like that, but they both were really good. I'm glad I did this. I'm glad I did this. And if you haven't tried it, please go ahead and try it. The matcha one is a little tricky because you can't make it like how you would make the coffee one. You gotta like improvise. You saw my trials and error. You gotta improvise a little, but yeah, if you can make it, go ahead and make it, and invest in an electric whisker, because whisking it with your hand, your hand's gonna get real tired unless you got some strong arms. But my hand was really tired, but it was worth it because they're both really good. They're both really good. So thank you so much for watching and for like going along with me with these creative ideas. I hope you found this entertaining, and I hope you try it. I hope you try it. If you try it, let me know. You know, you could DM me, or if you've tried it already, comment down below. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video or you like my content in general, just go ahead and share me out and subscribe and like the video. Come along on this journey with your girl. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye.